What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Vin Daddy. So today we have an Audi Q3 2016. Just in for a regular service. So right now I'm just taking it for a road test. Yeah, pretty quick, guys, pretty quick. So today is a little cloudy. Anyways, let me show you guys what this Audi Q3 looks like. So that's what the exterior looks like, guys. Very nice compact SUV. Nice leather. Pretty big sunroof. There's them boats again. So somebody knocked over this fence, guys. Look at that. Anyways, here we go. Whee! Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys at the shop, alright? Now in the shop, guys, so this is what it looks like with the lights on. Pretty nice. Here's your reverse cam. that is it, guys. That is it. The oil change is done. It's quite easy. The oil filter is up top, and to get to the drain plug, you have to remove the undercover. You need a T45 and a Phillips screwdriver, and then the drain plug is also a T45. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward, and it took 5 liters of 5W synthetic Motul. This is a fairly nice compact SUV, guys. 2016 Audi Q3. Anyways, guys, thank you again for tuning into my channel. Please continue to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.
Yeah.